Perplexity AI, or ChatGPT. Most people still don't know the real difference. Let me make it super simple. I'll show you how both can upgrade your productivity today. Perplexity AI is basically a supercharged AI search engine. It searches the live internet and gives you fast answers with sources. If you want facts, news, research, or quick explanations, Perplexity is built for speed and accuracy. ChatGPT is different. It's not designed as a search engine. It's designed for creation. Writing scripts, planning content, drafting emails, generating ideas, building SEO descriptions. ChatGPT is your creative partner. It helps you think, write, plan, build, and communicate. Here are the three biggest differences. First, Perplexity equals live web search, while ChatGPT offers deep, powerful conversation and creation. Second, Perplexity always shows sources, whereas ChatGPT gives long explanations but doesn't always show citations. Third, Perplexity gives fast answers, while ChatGPT provides detailed answers for stories, scripts, workouts, SEO, blogs, and planning tools. So how do you use both like a pro? Use Perplexity for researching a topic, finding stats, checking news, comparing products, looking up health info, and getting quick, reliable facts. Use ChatGPT for writing your YouTube scripts, making SEO titles and tags, planning workouts and meal plans, building business ideas, drafting emails, creating ebooks, blogs, and captions. It's also great for brainstorming content when you feel stuck. Perplexity gives you information. ChatGPT helps you create something with that information. So that's the truth. Perplexity and ChatGPT are different tools, but together, they make you unstoppable. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips for busy men on the move.